Whoa.
Good boy.
Put the light on.
Light. 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 Okay, go back. Scoot forward with your feet.
Congrats, Jerry. Happy to help with our mouth-watering low-fat subs. Subway. Eat fresh.
At WeatherTech.com.
I show you his leg in front. I showed him how to go backwards.
Make, model, and year to shop for custom automotive experience.
That leg stuff. Before it was easier when he had socks. There you go.
No picture at all. That's great. Doing so good. Wow.